How to change control methods on Horror of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Now here on the left hand side, there's an option called controls. Simply tap on controls. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see different options that are available. Now here there's an option called skill control method. So here there are different options available. So there's fixed camera and camera shifts with the direction or the skill one. So you can use it according to the player preference. So if you want the camera to be fixed, you can choose it. But if you want different movements and make it more easier for yourself, you can choose it. So I prefer you to select the camera shift for better gameplay. Now if you go back, it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.